Instruction prompting means directly telling the model exactly what to do, not just giving it a topic to think about. Let's learn how to write clear, specific, and precise instructions. Picture a home cook with rice, eggs, and spinach. They type a vague request, "What can I make?" The model rambles about the history of fried rice, tosses out 3 half-finished ideas, then asks a question back. The prompt never named the task or the shape of the answer, so the model guesses and drifts. Now let's rewrite the request as a clear instruction. Ask for one dinner recipe using rice, eggs, and spinach, laid out as a numbered list of at most 6 steps, in plain, everyday words. With directions this clear, the model answers neatly and in order, just 5 steps. Same request, only the wording changed. Notice the parts: 1 clear task command, a few constraints as rules, then the output format, plus optional extra content, all wrapped in a single boundary, because this is still one whole prompt. The path is straight. An instruction enters the model, and the answer takes the shape it asked for. No worked examples, no weight changes. The directive lives only in the context window for this call. Let's build the instruction one piece at a time on the same recipe request. Start with just the task. The answer rambles in prose. Add a format, and it snaps into a numbered list. Cap it at 6 steps, and it trims down. Ask for plain, everyday words, and the jargon falls away. Each part closes off one way to guess wrong. A direct instruction wins when the shape is clear. Ask for a numbered recipe of a fixed length, and the model follows along cleanly, step by step. But stack clashing rules, short yet detailed, formal yet fun, and it satisfies none of them. When your need is truly open-ended, a looser prompt serves better. Remember 3 things. State the task as a direct command, telling the model exactly what to do. Spell out the constraints and the output format you want. No examples, no training needed. The chain: task, then constraints, then format, then a matching answer.